This video is not flash or fancy. Nothing amazing is going to happen to try and hold your attention. But if you can give me 3 minutes of your time, I'm going to massively up-level your ChatGPT game by giving you some advice for your prompts. Now, these are specifically for people that are interested in copywriting or producing content that's up to 1,000 words. It doesn't matter if you're doing it for someone else, for a client, you're doing it for yourself. I wish I had known about this back in November when I started exploring ChatGPT, because I would have been able to produce a lot more content a lot quicker. Now, people fall into 2 categories. Either they love ChatGPT for this kind of thing or they hate it. And normally what you find when you talk to people and you dig deeper is the fact is they're not well educated on what you need to do in terms of prompts in order to get good quality output. Now, ChatGPT is not a solution. It is a tool. It's a tool that you need to use in order to save you time and increase your output and your content velocity. You are responsible for fact checking. You're responsible for what you put online. But if used correctly, it can change you a huge amount of time. And I'm going to show you how right now. We're going to take the example of somebody is interested in blog writing, as I said, and this is the sheet that you're going to use. You're going to put this into ChatGPT. You're going to say, suppose you are an X doing research on Y. Now, this is powerful because you're telling ChatGPT explicitly what you want it to do from the first sentence. It doesn't matter what your role is, what X is, and it doesn't matter what your niche or industry is. That is Y. What matters is you structure the prompt correctly. So I've given you a full example, and you can just swap out these words and use this in ChatGPT. And if you find that your quality of output does not improve, come back and comment under this video and tell me why. So you're going to put in, suppose you are X doing research on Y. Create an SEO optimized blog outline of 1,000 to 15,000 words. So straight away you're telling ChatGPT how much you want. That compares and contrasts. So you're telling it the focus for your writing. It might not be compare or contrast. It might be review. It might be you want a list. But you need to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. So it says here, compares and contrasts different products or services relating to keyword X. And this could be more than one keyword, but again, you're being really clear and specific with ChatGPT of where the focus needs to go. Targeting consumers. This could be targeting someone else. We could change that word out with a neutral and informative tone. And again, you could go for an excited tone. You could go for a professional tone. It doesn't matter, but that will give you a much better quality output if you follow that as a structure. In terms of why, you probably know what your niche is. You probably know what your keywords are. If you don't, you can use ChatGPT in order to help you. And we've got videos on the channel about that, so you can subscribe, and I'll leave our training at the end. But if you're wondering what to put in for X, then here are some suggestions. So suppose you're a copywriter, content creator, copy editor, experienced content writer, web content specialist, experienced copywriter, freelance writer. Any of these could be put into that first part where you have X in order for you to get some good copy written by ChatGPT that you can then go away and you can edit, you can finish it off, finalize it, make sure it is fully SEO optimized, and then you can publish it. Now, if you want to know if your content is actually going to beat your competitors, then you will have to put the content into another tool. Our favorite tool here on the channel is Neuron Writer. If you click the video now, you'll be able to take our 5-part training series on Neuron Writer. Each video is only a few minutes long, but it's actionable advice that you can follow in order to beat your competitors. If you got any value from this video, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.